Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Audition for dialogue noise reduction, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Audition on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing audio file. Select the audio track that contains the dialogue you want to enhance. Go to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down to Noise Reduction/Restoration. Choose Noise Reduction Process from the drop-down menu. In the noise reduction window, click on Capture Noise Print. Highlight a section of the audio that contains only noise. Click the Capture Noise Print button. Close the Noise Print window. Select the entire audio track by pressing Ctrl+A. Return to the Noise Reduction window. Adjust the sliders for noise reduction and reduce by according to your needs. Listen to the preview to see how your adjustments affect the audio. Fine-tune the settings until you're satisfied with the clarity of the dialogue. Click Apply to implement the noise reduction. Next, consider using the parametric equalizer for further enhancement. Go back to the Effects menu and choose Filter and EQ. Select Parametric Equalizer. Adjust the frequency sliders to enhance the voice frequencies while reducing others. Check the preview again to ensure your settings improve the dialogue quality. Once finalized, click Apply to confirm the equalizer settings. Lastly, consider applying a light compressor if needed for dynamic range. Navigate to Dynamics Processing in the Effects menu. Adjust the compressor settings to level out the dialogue volume. Review the entire audio track one final time to ensure consistent quality. Save your project to preserve your changes. Export your audio in the desired format to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.